Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll introduce the Test Rotation Bones add-on, a handy tool that allows you to quickly create rotation animations for selected bones in Blender, perfect for rigging and testing skin weights before painting. This add-on lets you quickly create rotation animations in various directions for selected bones. Simply set the rotation values and the number of frames between keyframes, then click the Rotate and Keyframe Selected Bones button. This add-on is particularly useful during the rigging process, allowing you to test bone rotations before painting skin weights. If you like this add-on, you can download it for free on Gumroad or BlenderMarket. Links are in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to not miss the next videos.